grab it and stick it in the box. Don't get too big of a piece because it has to fit in our specimen box.
Because it...
Okay, go collect it.
But how am I...
Just take it right off.
I need the tweezers. I'm too afraid to...
No, you don't have to be afraid. You can
I don't want to touch it. It's so gross.
But you have gloves on.
Of course, you have gloves.
But I don't... I
the
want
gloves
the
protect you.
tweezers to...
Alright. Tweezers.
Tweezers, check. Tweezers, check.
There you go.
Check. Tweezers, check.
You know how to use tweezers? Let me show
No.
you. You go like this.
Okay.
Hold it with your glove. One.
Got it? Is it hard?
It's not coming off.
Well, grab it with your hand. Get any?
I got a little of them.
Okay, put it in there. Yeah, but you need a bigger piece. Here, grab it. Here, let me.
Oh, actually, that's mine. That's...
Grab it with your hand and break it off. You got it.
It won't come off.
You just grab some more. There you go. Keep going.
Ew, it's gross.
Yeah, but you have gloves on. Don't worry about it.
So there's a big spider crawling through like this thing here.
Where?
There's the other side of his leg.
There you go. Put it in the box.
Wait. Show it to me. Show it to me.
Tell him, Sabu, what it is.
What
Don't
is
put
it?
It's fungi.
What
What
is
does it look
fungi?
like?
What is
It
fungi?
It looks like a plant. Only it's hard as a rock.
Saw the spider in your leg.
Okay, put it in the specimen container. Okay, close the lid. All right.
Can I take it off the
See, right there.
You don't want to collect another one?
No, we don't want to collect one. That's our first fungi.